Are you confident your crew is currently meeting OSHA compliance regulations? Maybe you're just looking for a refresher on OSHA guidelines. Wherever you are in the United States, Forklift University can offer high-level OSHA training and certification, online or in person. It's absolutely critical that your company maintains safety certifications, and we can offer true peace of mind. We take a practical approach to your operations. We'll do a walkthrough to identify safety concerns, which will be covered during training with your operators and supervisors. Facility managers often think they're meeting OSHA standards, but could be overlooking major risks. After assessing the situation, we can provide the training your staff needs to meet or exceed OSHA standards should they ever walk through the door. We create custom portals and documentation methods so that when an OSHA inspector comes knocking, you have everything you need to stay protected. If after our training you receive an OSHA violation letter regarding lift operation, we'll review it and help you respond. Don't chance your next OSHA inspection. Ensure you're meeting all regulatory requirements by reaching out to us at forkliftuniversity.com.